Angela owns a leasehold apartment in a building in London. As she returns from work one evening, she notices that the elevator is not working. Angela opens her Condinium app and selects the Raise Work Request feature. She first checks if anybody else has raised a repair for the south elevator. She takes images and enters a short description of the problem. Other residents in Angela's building can view her work request. Residents can upvote Angela's work request and also ask for more information. They can also see that Angela has a good record on Condinium. She is an active member of the condo community. The request is then published to Condinium's work portal. Contractors with the relevant skill, location, and availability are sent an alert and asked to submit an estimate through the portal. Gary is an electrician, but who has skills for repairing small elevator issues. He submits his estimate. His estimate is compared to others, and Condinium's algorithm selects Gary for the work. Even though Gary's estimate is not the cheapest, Condinium takes into account many other factors into its value and money algorithm. Smart contract is generated. Gary completes the work. Angela and/or other residents verify the repair. Condinium then proceeds to issue payment to Gary. Payment can be in fiat money or Condinium tokens. The blockchain records of both Gary and Angela are updated to indicate successful completion of work.